Do you want to elevate your chocolate dessert and impress at the dinner table? I got you.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a silky smooth chocolate crémeux topped with pistachio praline for the nutty contrast.
A restaurant-style dessert that's rich, elegant, and surprisingly easy to make. Let's get cooking. Let's start by adding the milk and the cream to a saucepan. Heat gently but not boiling. You're looking for small bubbles around the edges and light steam. In a bowl, whisk egg yolks and sugar until slightly pale. Now, slowly pour the hot milk and cream mixture into the yolks while whisking continuously. Make sure to keep on whisking. Once it's all combined, pour the mixture back into the saucepan. Cook on low heat, stirring constantly until it reaches 65 degrees Celsius.
If you don't have a cooking thermometer at home, you'll know it's ready when it's slightly thickened and can coat the back of the spoon.
Be careful not to overcook the anglaise or it will split. Pour the hot mixture over the dark chocolate drops. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. Add the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to add richness and balance. Then slowly stir the mixture until it becomes completely smooth and glossy. For an extra smooth texture, use an immersion blender. To set the crémeux, pour the mixture into glasses, ramekins, or molds. Transfer to the fridge and chill for at least 4 hours until fully set. The final texture should be creamy and smooth. To finish, top the crémeux with some pistachio praline and crushed pistachios for crunch and contrast.
Now this is a homemade pistachio praline, but store-bought does the trick as well.
And that's all it takes to make an amazing chocolate crémeux pistachio. Elegant enough to impress at dinner parties, but simple enough to make for any day of the week. It's perfect to the very last bite.
Time to dig in. It's creamy, definitely chocolatey, and that nutty contrast from the pistachio praline. Wow. If there was a mic drop version in the kitchen,
If you make this recipe, tag us so we can see your take on a chocolate crémeux. See you in the next recipe.